Hi everyone, my name is Robin and I'm the Global Product Manager from Cellbox Solutions and would like to welcome you to our Cellbox Go training series. Within this series, you will learn how to operate the portable CO2 incubator, the Cellbox Go, following best practice procedures. Proper packaging is crucial to ensure the safe transport of your cells. In this video, I will show you best practices for securely packaging your materials, including how to use the culture vessel adapter and follow packaging instructions 650 guidelines. Let's get started. The safety of your biological material during transport depends heavily on how well they are packed. It's crucial to follow best practice procedures to prevent contamination, damage, or leakage. The Cellbox Go provides a controlled environment, but it's essential to ensure that your samples are packed securely inside the incubation space. Using the proper packaging not only ensures the safety of your materials, but also complies with transport regulations, which are necessary for legal and safety reasons. The culture vessel adapter is one of the most important accessories, and it's especially useful in ensuring your culture vessels are secured in place inside the incubation chamber, preventing them from moving during transport. The culture vessel adapter can be used for a big variety of cell culture vessels, such as tea flasks, dishes, plates, or tubes, while maintaining optimal temperature and CO2 distribution through its design. To change its configuration, loose the knurled nuts and slide and/or rotate the four sliders to the best position for the desired culture vessel. Tighten the knurled nut to fit the sliders in position. Integrate and stack the culture vessels into the adapter to fix them in place using the steel spring. For all the transports, we recommend following the packaging instructions 650 guidelines, which outlines the required specifications for packing infectious substances category B. Although the Cellbox Go is primarily used for non-infectious materials that usually does not require a 3-layer packaging, it's still important to consider these rigorous standards for safe and secure packaging. For that, make sure to use primary and secondary containments that are leak-proof but also CO2 permeable to allow for proper gas exchange. There are several solutions like vented caps for flasks or seals for plates. Slide an absorbent material under your culture vessel and close the second layer. A Tyvek-based sleeve is usually fine as well. When preparing your material for transport, it's important to ensure that there are no loose parts inside the incubation chamber. Loose components can interfere with the device sensors, block the air circulation, or damage the internal fans, which could compromise the controlled environment. It's essential to be creative in how to organize the incubation chamber, depending on the type of vessel or materials you're transporting. Use foams, clamps, tapes, or other stabilizing accessories to ensure everything remains in place during transport without covering the lid fans. Before closing the incubation chamber, always double-check the packaging to ensure that all vessels are securely placed and nothing is blocking the sensors or interfering with the device operation. Ensure that culture vessels are stable and secured. No loose parts are in the chamber, the fans and CO2 outlet are unblocked, the CO2 cartridge or dry ice container are securely fastened. Once everything is properly secured, close the chamber and confirm the device is operating within normal parameters before beginning your transport. When preparing your material for transport, don't forget to check whether any dangerous goods declarations are required. If you are transporting regulated substances, it is essential to comply with necessary paperwork and follow the paper procedures to ensure compliance with legal requirements. If you plan on taking the Cellbox Go flight as a carry-on onto the airplane, ensure to inform the airline upfront and have the exempt from IATA regulation documents at hand when required. Refer to ADR and IATA regulations to make sure everything is in order before transporting. Proper documentation is as important as proper packaging is ensuring the safe and compliant transport of your biological material. Use the dangerous goods declaration cards within the transparent front pockets of the Cellbox Go carry bag to properly indicate dangerous goods. Please keep in mind that UN 3373 potential infectious materials category B have been excluded as carry-on from most airlines, whereas human exempt specimen are usually fine to bring on board. Check your technical manual for proper labeling guidelines. In this video, we have walked you through the essential steps of packing your materials for transport using the Cellbox Go by following the packaging instructions 650 guidelines, using the culture vessel adapter, and ensuring that no loose parts interfere with the device. You will be able to transport your biological material safely and securely. In the next video, we will take a closer look at the accessories available for the Cellbox Go and how they can enhance your transport experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.